This is a customer's polished part. We will focus on these key points. In order to address these issues, we choose ECP95 for polish. 1. Low cost. Our polishing machine can cut reprocessing time and costs slashing expenses. 2. High efficiency. 24/7 automated polishing, more efficient, more consistent, and faster batch processing, lower labor costs. Let's take a look at the before and after comparison. 3. High quality. Loss as low as 0.02 m. Ultra smooth, flaw-free, high-fitted, low wear and tear. You can also choose the right polishing machine according to your needs.